For Baba Shay and Kumudina Asiankasa, I am 99.5 FM, and Chinu down in Kobibia, and Chibia, Yebeko in Cranea Kofa, Asemiji Dika, and so Edia Bremo. Na Mamin call Enya Baho, Obapa Nicolina, na maybe San said Napum to saying, Madam, but you have a call dear.
I don't cry, you know.
I say, share check it. Yeah, semo. Na insurance who sem at the same, Bibia Coso Camadier.
Oh, I don't marakwa. Jumane de want to mean Case Abafo, but Nyamiadum, ye cramo.
Now, more Mujizamo claims near the idea and swear.
Oh, I would say by far. Claims no tiano queen because in some nearby a while the or say ye did to Niquine or ye to Niquine na 1 hour so much and so much and see want to make us a want ya claims are a genuine. That's one thing. The insurance company pays daily about 1 million.
Wow,
about 1 million daily. And you see, if people the
check the frequency
almost mean fanko share na say will be here ye okay na what the corner insurance company for mo jojo wa say share wo ho a over to media mo afa so and this over National Insurance Commission as the regulator no na ya hwe ho nsem aka the yeah ha dream say ntini amabiase. That is the most important thing. Utiasia, but for because terms and conditions, and she share a Jumana one insurance company, na Pama a one insurance company in term no. It was so obia and diso. Obe diso. No mo said your modiaso na fe quenim.
And so who be here say so we got to insurance and who be here say any panel the document we abech na come out on the
not necessary, but a nyale be a here. The first point of call should be the NIC. Sorry, the insurance company. Kwa uni omuye juma. Mainti we are say now we are much sure. I don't know say nade. But sometimes no people want a second opinion.
Yeah.
And no there we give advice service as well. It's a bansua advice. Oh, our services government entity. We that regulator only will be your Bank of Ghana say na FDA because of near Momudi year Jumana did and the registration, that's what you pay for. But yen as a regulator, insurance regulator, you won't see a
It was here on 99.5 FM and you on television live on Facebook. Now and they say the insurance on some kakra. I said just some few weeks ago, say after the rain, in Kakra, some buildings in Cape Coast collapsed and subsequently now say I talked also for 3 consecutive times via whether an answer in Kakra buildings in Cape Coast collapsed. And I say most of these buildings are dying mud clay buildings are see check anchor under normal circumstances also anchor by this time. Yasasano na nso ebi ana sekasem ana ebi ana ebusuaman son bi ntino yentumi ntache he eno na buildings ni bi collapse ye kunkum kofo ne ekeka ho ene de ye pese bisa se na bibisa no eya na insurance to me cover buildings bisa na cover ho so say na to say ti madam insurance to me cover buildings bisa na.
Yes, insurance in fact anything and everything can be insured. Provided you better meet here. It's a bano set building now. What my and and then Republic Day.
And then Republic Day, National Prayer.
Of, National prayers and Thanksgiving. You better nyamiasi ama ye my Ghana and ope ye kopie mu Jubilee Park.
Oh, and took a bomb pie any and Madame Botons.
Yeah, the nation is at my heart, and so should it be for everybody. Inti say ebasana ye bomodian said ye na ye hu behemu na afi bibia ako enim jojojo. So national prayers no cause so ye that committee ni ahimfofo the MC regional minister wana obepie wo various institutions wo bepie wo ho nyina ye danyame asema obibia. Okay, good. And I'm happy for this because one of the things ebepie wo ho ni building a ecolapse. Why are the buildings collapsing? One, AB architecture ni properly done. Materials what the enye papa. Baby what the sino and also enye papa. Because if the place is a waterlogged area, and now it's the soil, okay, allows for easy erosion. I don't know how the planners will call it. These are things that the planners should be wary of. And see, kakra but aba. Now, any who can say
yeah.
So when it comes to insurance, there's insurance for building. In fact, there's for private dwelling places. So you can even do a comprehensive even against theft baby and fire. But when it comes to building, it also comes with fire, collapse, flooding. To say is you toyama adina sink and I say ebutu and I say okay. In the scheme of things, and emra quite so quite mono. I want to read where the Insurance Act Juma. Okay, Insurance Act 1061. Wushe section 218. A can be mamin kind, then I will explain in tree. I say building be a commercial property or any person who constructs or causes to be constructed a commercial building specified in the section schedule shall insure and maintain insurance under any qualifying commercial building insurance contract with a licensed insurer. 2. The occupier or owner of a commercial building shall insure and maintain an insurance under any qualifying commercial building insurance contract with a licensed insurer. 3. A person who contravenes subsection 1 and 2 commits an offense and is liable on a summary conviction to a fine or a term of imprisonment or to both as specified in the first schedule. And then it continues, section 219, scope of cover for commercial building insurance. Say any commercial insurance contract, and it defines commercial insurance construction. 1 will come under indemnity against liability for loss or damage caused to a person where the claim arises from the negligence 1 or breach of a duty of care by the owner, the building contractor, or any employee or agent of or consultant to the building contract.
Madam, wait me abubu mu kakaka amai. Okay. Not what babak. Okay.
Me bubu mu na me kan wo
okay.
In connection with the construction of the building, the legal and other costs connected with the defending a claim referred to in subs paragraph 1 and 2 and cost of investigation to settlement. Good. Into the Amika ni tofane say Obibia waye na dream say o sit down na dan na wo si no enye ninku no betnemo but o de be high na hiring so de na ye ka hostel guest house, hotels, clubhouse, wosi shapo, asori woha, ejuma, all these things no. Mrane say, abra waye wa drink say me nye we ya na makotena mo, but nkrofo bekwa aba. Don't beg ta shia wo ho no, or say wonye insurance. Na fa protecti inti mami kan na fe say the contractor no say one jing tum ma wan hwe say even before building no be wie no insurance wo mo na that is building under construction.
Okay.
And na dia ya wie nso
just say a dan a yes no or say nea wo si dan no ebisa no make sure say a dan no or an insurance wo ho
into the contractor
or no
and the
missing
owner and the occupier.
Wow.
1 3 ni na was say one making sure say insurance wo
or dan ho
exactly.
Wow.
Now one ya e say wa fumra either imprisonment or you'll be fined.
Wow.
It's one how unlawful we have been.
Wow.
How unlawful.
It was every another amazing be out see me. And then they visit me who then I will see no who check his insurance or one. Dina Usino, I said Dina Usino, who check his insurance or one. Insurance on 7 to say. And Madam Mason now also Dina said, one year I bet me at go to.
I said contractor now or no contractor no. Nipan
Dinirano.
Ena nipo betinam.
Wow.
Ya wejuma ye ohunsa.
Wow.
Inti na manage say mayor or say yentina se nhwe sa niam. Yentutu adwen. Your education dey ya ye bebre. Eya na many fire service fo.
Say an enforcement in a problem nana.
Enforcement. Ebinom feel said they are above the law. Inti one law. Now you see that is why Mrane say enye dan a wo si akotena mo obesi dan even say ye wankasa wo fie kra wo si the surroundings they are risks. I mean that comes to play. Wo si dan e bia obi dan wo wachi ana say school bi wo ho ana park bi wo ho ye si dan ye niama bebresi nti within the radius of where wo si dan no so wo hwe say risks bi eni ho and even in insurance, there's provision for 1 hour sit down, and yet the contractor and the workers say mra wo say workman compensation say wo be ya mamu na say wo sit down na BBC a obi to me free throw better for so there's even provision for that.
I know so say insurance.
Yes, it comes as a comprehensive package for construction. Into constructor, construction ama Asha won't say no. So making sure that we now fulfill. And I want to plead with the municipal assembly say contractors now was assembly ma yenina yen kambo mune yen say ye biano ebeye and he says sometimes people are building on a waterway. Na ya bet stop work. And run a métier opinion be or say stop work is stop work. Stop work means stop work.
Yeah.
Men to a journalist to be a son say one ya niama krata and here say a betcha sampa where you are building is suitable for the building to take place. But as one thing yendoye my adoyema. For me that's what I see. Oh, even Wusha section 214 cry. A son can be say no your public liability. A person of a class type of or description specified in the schedule, that is the first one I can about the building, no, shall insure and maintain an insurance under a qualified public liability insurance contract with the licensed insurer. The specifying of licensed insurer, qualified insurer, is because yempesa ubekwa kojina bibi kra no biatro krata bia ma o say o mimi insurance ni abra nipa no doesn't qualify.
And the president who said we a qualified and licensed insurer.
So the insurance company ho. And if the insurance company is in good standing and you want to find out, you can come to the commission and find out. You can go to
our website now. all the wow
companies in good standing, they are there.
Wow.
And for me, it's not just companies in good standing, but say obia obeti the risk wo de banase na obeye analysis ni pepepe ma wa catch will say oba wo premises no this particular breaks na ewo fee no betumi cause further damage. But this is the public liability we are talking. Yakafa collapse na the ekeka ho. Now, then it talks about say obia onye sa public liability no. Na public say public liability, what are we talking about? Say obia ba o premises awabepra. And it comes under commercial insurance na ye kan. In fact, commercial insurance takes care of things like collapse, say flooding, say fire, public liability to third parties. Okay, now under construction, then you will have the employees, contractors all rates. Under contractors all rates, then you can have workman compensation. So the commercial insurance no for buildings, it covers these things that I've spoken about. And yes, say obeka so media my insurance pekeke, but then with surroundings no would building nimu no don't be what are you doing about the liability? Obi ba wo premises na ne car wa parking ne car wo office nim no be wie de oye no be the bibi abom and I said we be kra na abu atu car ne so no, it is your responsibility. Obi ba wo premises ne nine bebu ye, you know, sleeping over na otofom ne nine webu wa said ye, that's the duty of care running eka. Inti when you na ye say yes insurance in the first place we have to, it's a must, it's compulsory. So running say yen sure say ye be call obi a wa qualify so be ye amaye. Even if woni agent kra na edi nkita hon agent no oni with details no be call one office wo ya wa catch will say every, and it's done yearly as well too. Inti fair 1 year now you know, because and let me be practical and demonstrate it. Into we your commercial insurance for your building. What we see in the one building. Now building no any boy 5 million. Okay?
Yeah.
Number 2, you look at the contents.
Building
ni ye niama ewo building ni mo into yen classify building ni ye structure na esi ho ni
dynamic esi
ho ni fixtures and fittings to say sockets, lights na di what they ka ho na ebia wall bia wa create, lawn bia wa ye, gate bia wa ye, swimming pool bia wa ni na kan building ho assassinin ka ho no.
I didn't hear.
Whenever you are assassin, even with Danny Grande, whenever you are. What is so be a fast physical structure?
And now it's not maybe such a danger because a dinosaur we are not say more insured dinosaur assassin was and on come home. Assassin, dear, say a she cross assassin, dear, and she's anyway. So you have the content in Myanmar, a dynamo. Even when you take residential insurance, everyone said, I always cited this example of Phoebe or East Legon captain on any year. Very Captain Smart, I know.
Captain Smart. Very wonderful, interesting couple. At that time, you know, Papa Nisi or no, what is okra flowers if we South Africa, and indeed, it's beautiful, very beautiful flowers and flower pots. Or say, in sure man. Obana said they made them curtains. Now, it was quite an interesting thing. And of course, when you enter the house and you see the curtains, you say, wait, this is money. Curtains, Jessica. The curtains are talking. And such a value, no, they wouldn't want to lose it in fire or anything. So anything valuable to you, you need to insure it so that when the risk occur, the insurance company can be of that support for you to get those things back. That's the essence of it. So you have the building and you have the content, and then it also takes care of. So what is the value of the things in your premises? Can you itemize them? TV4, building Nankasa has 5 bedrooms. In TV5 Newomo, then it has the hall, it has the children's room and what's not. When it comes to the commercial, you have maybe 6 apartments, you know, each of them is a suite. Then a woman, you know, and then you have the premises and everything. So the content also will be valued. The younger say be at content in year 2000, right? Then, since we are talking about commercial building, you are looking at the public liability. Inti so biba premises mo no be pra and I say ne japade bi who touch bana say you need to compensate. So you need to have a reasonable amount in the public liability amount. Inti yen hwe say bia eno so ye 5,000. Okay? Now, then there was that we say any other liability ebia workers wo ho inti PA. Personal accident and now group accident for workers, no, and now workman compensation for workers. So workers ni yahi woye ebia woye 20. It's no dear obia dear oye inti so be prasana. What do you give them? Sometimes we give advice and say one share one annual salary, okay, and multiply it by 5 or something so that you can get a figure. Say enuna insurance needed to ho say bibi ba accident be na woba, the total amount is given to them. But ebia opera, the medical bills will be taken and that will be taken care of.
Okay.
Understand? Okay. So these things are there. Then in looking at this, Yesha says a jabba, so it takes care of fire, and then it's taking care of collapse.
Okay.
So all these things will be factored in the analysis.
Absolutely. But you
know the rates, we work with rates, being kita calculator. Your calculator, all these things are put together. Assuming winning in this is 5,000, or even 5 million. And then you have 5 million, winning you 20,000, and then you put all together, we're getting a total of about 5 million, maybe 200,000. And you work out a percentage of 0.5 of this, just 79. It's negligible. It's very small. Very, 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 very small.
0.5 over 100 times 5 million.
Yes.
Madam, enough more. It's going to be
1 year calculation.
It was a high on 99.5. Madam, I got a calculator. Me family and so but insurance will be here. Insurance is very important for us. Now, will be here say in everything we do, you be seeing how best we can insure some few things. And not everything that we feel say valuable to us. Na afi so ya bo ho ban se ne be ya say asem to ya insurance companies ebetimi abo me call NIC4 website no so no. I'm happy to say me who some very good insurance companies I me no mu ye adwuma personally. And I'm proud to say because initially man check it madam kind of me yem shim say mami ko check bi ana ebi ana mfa and we got check here no I me got check here no me who say Bedrock Insurance or ha more non-life companies me who so say me hwe some few insurance companies are minimum ye adwuma eba no life insurance me who say Asta Life wa ha formerly GN and NIC so atro o ma tro ho say formerly GN Life o ma tro enti no ma yejuma da, then you can follow up on that. Me who sunu insurance assurances for so ha. Companies be ha and no boa. And to know yejuma on him say these people are credible, I can work with them. Madam, why calculation area?
My calculation and my attention has just been drawn. we work within a range. So
okay.
we between 0.2 to 0.5%. That is the analysis that will be done. After the analysis has been done,
Yeah.
a bit determines say yours is a bit riskier than somebody. So I'm using the lowest. You have a building with its content and providing cover for accident cover for your staff, and then public liability to third party. And I mean, so total in yes, I mean, to 5.2 million. 5.2 million. No, we use a range of 0.2%, 10,400.
Wow.
And 10,400, you know, what can wow? Assuming the building collapse. Assuming the building collapse, the insurance company is liable to the value of the building and its contents that is destroyed. Niama ewo building, ni building na collapse no. Ni niama ewo mu no. Insurance company or what yet then I was say what here. Until feel say ni boy then. How many of the 10,000 insurance company no will be gather and send when you're 5 million each year? Oh, yen come moto, but I always give analysis of the say 5 passengers. Wait here, and then who could who register or can who could insurance as a private person is 530 Ghana cedis. That no mobile due.
That's third party.
Third party. A commercial taxi a 701. But accident is no. Obi oti car ni mu no. Insurance or say wo boa. Na won hwe wo medical bill. And then we require resabia, you don't pay less than 500 cedis ni boa.
Yeah, okay.
Good. Into yemfa say obi 500, obi 200, obi 300. Ebe you no na your number say 2000. I na wo tia 701. And sana their friend a personal accident. No, is the driver. And now whoever is behind the seat at the time of the accident. In insurance, for the omo complain say but as a regulator, what we have done is to tell them say go out and sell yourself and get done.
Yeah.
Insurance thrive on numbers.
Yeah.
Oh, I had to say pool in you baby woman, ye room where you na bet to me swim, come. But you ni mo ye bet in
okay.
So if the basket is not full, if the basket of insurance pool is not full, that is when they struggle to pay. I mean, fuck when you're in Sunamen say, so be walk your insurance. Oh, would you mamintis so shady? A bedroom time I'll be claiming so better swam. Because they will not have gathered enough money to pay you.
And so, what I remember buildings here collapse or Cape Coast, so, and then they knew say PN say in total no 7 buildings. And so last Friday 2 collapse here right in Cape Coast. Now news I mean in total no 7 buildings. Most of these buildings no muddy and clay and nobody yeah. And no much man sure.
Yeah, but it's high risk, you know that. See, one yen charge you 0.2 and no never go 0.5 and then the account if they really want to do it.
And I no also much insurance company are interested say obey no.
So when you're going to do no what form now what them no what be sell a day na would see dine after asking you about what personal details would in baby away jumana de a dine then I would they call ye na de. Yeah, because say a dear na would see dino. A dear roofing na would the anything that's a beboa my insurance company who the actual risk a boa. Would the breaks na yo, it's important. They do the analysis. Would the blocks cement blocks the it they do the analysis. The floors a dear na would the roofing no is the asbestos, no asbestos is not too good for us in these times, you know, because it comes very dangerous sometimes. Inti na what the better draw ewo form na ye ya san bisa will say Anya bia niama wo kan yi nyina, you stand by it. You declare say the amount na ye no correct. Inti say wo dey clay na ye, also wo dey cement na ye. It goes to the heart of the contract no. It can render the contract null and void. A bet to me ama nhihye na e wo wo ni insurance company in term no null and void. Na just say wo nya insurance crown pay.
Just say bibi to a won kasa hompo.
Ne o me don kasa wo because
one can no credit.
So insurance.
And mo also can no farmer way.
Insurance. My who be paying. Oh, obi G talk car will be ho. And I 1 year change of ownership. Or feel say insurance into mean finance. Oko year renewal so once that's all one demo. Accident to see insurance say ye nimbo uni wine. It's a said dinner walk crata no soon. The same. And what for police reports about and it's not the same as a dinner. They have no contract with you. So Sikana wait Yano, they will give your money to you instead of paying the claim. And to me they are justified. You have no contract with them. Insurance ayemra. Shishe. Apame won mini won no. If you go contrary, it affects us. Or say ye kase okay, me shop or has say abribia me 24-hour security.
Yeah.
And then I be you are security in Nivo. I mean it beats a lot of investigation. You know, inti was say ye shenya mabi ye bibia and construction firms and manufacturing firms never what there's insurance for everything that we want to do. We are new to folk, you can insure your voice.
Sir?
Do you know Tina Turner?
Yeah, Tina Turner.
Insure your voice.
No. The benefits in bedding. Say voice no to care now says so intimate to be man as saying. Now insurance company ben na air side and I'm going to insure my voice because between you are sorry.
Mr. Woman.
No.
When him said no will cry it to me insure. Pet insurance. Yeah. Cats. What is your pet? Yes. There's insurance for pets.
So it means that you can do everything. Yeah.
Everything is insurable so far as we can pay.
Ebusa ha 99.5 FM. Me pese me activate phone lines. If you are not pese, ubisa 1 or 2 questions. Basically, no, near pese who has to do with the diner collapse. Any insurance and same. In actual fact, a dime be collapse will keep close. About 7 of them. ABC mono. Never no the idea no they haven't done insurance. In fact, they don't know nimpo say yeah insurance bisa. E will die home. Na ebi wo nso a ofili say no wo fa bi insurance and no wo fa bi na accident jamawaye. So do not know and my bisa wo dan a uti mo sesia no onim ehun insurance status. Onim say fear insurance and onye insurance. Na nya bia dan na asem to mu a wo insurance on sem to say. Just say madam say ko rented down or say bisa landlord. And the landlord ninya obetimi aye. Wa kwa dem no betimi aye.
With them. I advise landlords every time say fatu contract nemo. You would can hear the whole building.
Yeah.
Nipa na all bemono onbeye ni content. So you take care of the entire building. Na nipa no bet.
And so can say take care of the entire building. Just a landlord no any insurance for the structure.
Exactly.
Okay.
Only insurance for the structure. So that's why we say the structure, and the fixtures and fittings.
Yeah.
Now, nipa orbit nemo no the air condition be shemo or the TV send the shemo or one the freezer be no and no dear no and because TV better me cause fire. You know that.
Yeah.
Air condition better me cause fire.
Yeah, no correct.
Na dine nya wo dia me dia masi. Inti me yes structure na wo bet na mo ne wo air condition ti me the medine hia. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Inti put it in the contract. Say won't insure the content. Why insure the content?
But na sama for guarantee dan kasa ya na skasemu. Obi wa si me ni sika na sika na ngasa.
You see?
Oda ba guarantee dan ko ebi ni ho.
And only mistake aye what or car. Car no be kwa kwan so. Enye wo kra na ebia you will drive carelessly no. obi betumi de ne sign abesign wo. So insuring the car makes provision say obi de ne sign besign me a or no insurance company beye. So you are responsible for yourself and for other people as well on the road. You understand? Sana wo sit down a wo de be high a man for bet nemu accident see wo horses ya obey den. Eja ato ho obey den. Building na collapse obey den. Nipa no bet na ebi pra na de. I mean, I'm told say ebinum crowd we I mean the first casualties. You know, ma won busia yako. But then these are the things.
It was always making home 055 703 6562 055 703 6562 and at 050 91 61 700 050 91 61 700 055 703 6562 and at 050 91 61 700 and then MPK calls we just pick about 2 calls Nafi. They say free color segments in the home. And say a call on 055 703 6562 and at 050 91 61 700. I have 99.5 FM and use one television. Now, and then you see Nyama Kakra, in fact, Nyaka be brave because me name a lot of things Madam Aka concerning content. Nyama Oye Dynamo. And to feel a clock I bought on a sumo book. No person born who buy no our insurance. And then the insurance company will say who nyama mo cover out because then him say bi mo ye life in kwa ebu or ye property in kwa and they say who nyama mo ye na ye who insurance cry be. Now how many insurance companies can you engage? Say me nama insurance companies do also na make me engage you.
Okay, I me person me establish National Insurance Commission no. Yeah, regulate one hour ton life insurance, any general insurance, hona car insurance, ni building, need the market hono, and then there's life insurance as well. When it comes to general insurance, you cannot do more than one insurance company. To me, yeah, or car insurance, or company A, not our company B said the same car you're going to insure it. Look, when there's an accident, na be boom, no matter our car.
Oh,
but
okay.
when it comes to life insurance, and no dear, a one kasa only pedria we yare wa pomodeni bibia is your ability to pay. It's a one hondia ube to me 6 insurance company, 10 insurance companies, it is your ability to pay.
Oh, and Tebano. Motor insurance now, and no, they don't mean more than one.
No.
And they don't mean more than one with one. And they find say more 2 cars. Met me one insurance company A.
Exactly.
Now my A B insurance company
so
B.
So you don't want to put all your eggs in one basket.
Yeah.
And then so that's,
but I mean
that's
to me, just my first vehicle in 2 different insurance companies. No. But about life, they are met me
as many as you want.
The internet is
you know the risk involved let's say and then it's determination vehicle and commercial properties and the risk involved with them is quite high than yena okay I'm doing a life me pa me and right but we advise that ASHA banti for BBC kakra for dachi. But want to make count the same for property. Okay. Number 2, say analysis now the same vehicle would yama company A. And others, are you going to use the same parameters for company B? So why the second insurance?
Maybe I'm not per se as I'm to now.
That is what I'm coming to because you want to benefit from insurance and as a matter of principle of the contract of insurance, you don't benefit from insurance. You are reinstated into the car back. Now, with your company, you know, you best see which of the cars amount. Yes, half an accident, and that's exactly what they will do. Because then you are calling for betterment. You want to be better. You want to benefit. You want to enye yema wo cha insurance company no. Because you know the amount cry wutia for insurance no. It's not it's just commensurate. I mean who say na mesia kan wo twimo but ye boaboa no ansa na yema.
Ye di mu de de ka ho.
Nti meme de wo so de e bia memanya accident wo nya accident 20 years wo nya accident. Wo de na wo de boa no eno na menya accident a wo de boa me. Nti wo yes na you are cheating the system and the contract.
Oh, mo fan chen say obi ba line no so nanso picking no yeah picking mo no.
It's not on well.
Yeah picking no and yenya challenge kakra. Enti mo fan chen 055 7036562 055 7036562. Hello Timmy Khan. Oh, hello. My technical guys should join me in the studio here. Hello. 0557 Pacho sound frame me why briefly, Mr. Lewa. I'm saying more problem Kakao studio. Hello. Hello, Timmy Khan. Kuse. Sound frame me, Mr. L. Marcus, I would need you in the studio here. Only for you, man. Almost on the answer. 055 703 6562 055 703 6562 and 050 9161 700 050 9161 700. Okay, I'm try you. I'm try it. Hello, did maybe a friend free? Hello, did maybe a friend free? Hold on, mommy, I'm try it. Hello.
Hello.
How did maybe a friend free?
Mr. Constitution Review.
Constitution Review for everything. Kisi, me nyabe my yanko.
Commission. Yeah, this year, no. Very insurance, at what age? And another what? At what age? You know, you go. What can I say? It's 1 year more.
May I say, Mr. Constitution Review.
And I can't come there. And then, in some of the chain now, or you're my Ghana for, or you're the dear, or something who got it to me. Now, I'm not in animal, I wish you all. What are you doing? Education now. Since Republic, education, yeah, well, government activity. What is that many? Education on grassroots. So the message here for the national we can enter that. Not Abandama. I'm at a year city. Instead, one more one education. Maybe one farmer NCC.
Yeah, that's it. Constitution review ma obinsumbra ahomane so. Alright, me that's pa for your laudable points out with your mind. They say we need to also bet me the or question about just speak about 2 more calls now. Yeah, say free home 055 703 6562 and 050 9161 700 055 703 6562. Now be about age. At what age now? Over to me, I insurance.
Okay. sure that will fall under the domain of the life insurance.
Yeah.
The life insurance say 18 years and above. I will work with Juma. You have a sound mind. Wo ye Juma wo benya etua wo premium busumi bia. Na you are 18 years and above. No betumi aye. If you are at a certain age, main kind of averagely no, most insurance companies after 70 will not do for you. Now, even with that, there are two different things. Either say, obi the whole policy neho, and now you are the principal. You can say we are the principal. Una wo ye policy no, ma would you be abeka. Now at a certain age, no, you cannot be a principal. Want to me ye crama would you be abeka. What you say? Until from 18 and above, no, you can do it. But from 65, no, yes, say 65. Do you have employment? Can your premium, you know, and then that's the principal aspect. But policy, no, most of the companies after 70, 75, to me found company. And that's it, because we're covering risk. You know, the risk of death, no one high chain. I mean, you can't determine that and not service in my office. Not company be one policy, no.
It was always making 055 703 6562.
One policy, no. What can who cry after 75 no be you free more. I felt that was not good.
Yeah.
Into a idea ye shemu. Into nipa no wo yi ni papa ne free more. And I want who message now what they sending and say why you ni papa free sa a policy so and I ni papa ka baby. Oko insurance company wo car there. Yen hihye ne mu no. Apambo e wo ye ne wo ntem no. Hihye ne mu no ya tro there. Say nipa ni nya 75 ye be yi na free policy ne so. And I send message say ya yi papa free policy ne so. Ye ka se fa bi fofo be gina anye na papa yi nti woni bibia wo betu ya mo no but ensema ye hwemu a we will talk to the insurance company now one consider the number of years nipa na etua premium no and then do something for
wow
nti asie no na ye adwuma o
wow
wo nya nti asie nti mesre wo ti nsema ye ka why your life insurance will krata krawana a krata na krawo no have you addressed yourself with the things in there niama na ya trono want to mean kaya mo bin kind ma na nyati ase now and then National Insurance Commission yama wo kwan what me ye insurance e fa wo phone so message na ya eba no fasie baby fa mo bi non kind ma o ti ase ye e bia ya ka se wo ya record diary sabia ba wo feel say yes we yare a enye yare bia na ne wo to ayare sabia
yeah no correct
inti den policy na wo kotoye emo de won hin na wo to te say what car na wa koye insurance why a third party na wo ye asie ne say me de me car bo bia me insurance won bua me say my prenipa one bua me abra nipa ne be hospital abanade and I say my road be just mo one bua me okay that is entiasie wo car no de insurance enye hwe wo ho emu so what ye third party fire and theft na ye wi aka and I say eja to car ni mu or say insurance emboa wo
and you just say third party nankasa no different
no third party is third party.
Okay.
That is the basic. But here yedi kaho a third party.
And fire and theft no.
Fire and theft. And then you have the comprehensive. They are different policies.
But with the third party minus fire and theft no a cut across the benefit cut across. Okay. It was a high on 99.5 NTB Ejumidi ABC now I call on to the other programs. And to which we do call Anna Wasim Bisaba on 055-703-6562 and at 050-9161-700. 050-9161-700. Now, Madam Ibisa Assembly, And see, Yanyanuma or Mukola on building Nukola Swomosono. Say, or more insurance, life insurance, or many other benefits, right?
Exactly. Say it's an accident.
Yeah.
Accidental. In the scheme of the life insurance, no.
Yeah.
The risk covers permanent disability or accidental whatever. It say they will get the benefits. And yet only death. And yet only death. Into life insurance nankasa. It takes care of the risk of critical illness, permanent disability, and whatnot. And that disability can come as a result of the accident.
Yeah.
So and I say once a war is sharing, they will get the benefits.
I was afraid to see MC try some friend Monsan can I mean to be picking Monfan Chemi. Na I Madam Bejan number and Tibia now per se oji further details. Usually idea more. Say I know me hunyama bebre enti me free am ko me fear bisa no say dino or insurance one now and insurance one. Na yeah ye call public toilet. Yen new insurance status no mesre or say bisa. Because public toilet nso no anhwe na kwaso na asem to wo ha. Umpu de na nkenya kra o. Ankenya kra enti mesre bibia sorry. Yes, sorry, no, the best our church buildings. The best, you say, me, I'm sorry, the wine insurance. Maybe, sir.
It's a 1 year, yeah. Now, I'm afraid, and I knew a mum bedding guitar. In sorry, be of person of Frey, Mox B, or person of Frey, club B, association B, or person, any mum bedding school. Just call us, will come. You bet my education, yeah, my education. You choose any of the insurance company. Now, why your policy? No, na se bibi touchima, baby, I will be kwani, say, Obeba National Insurance Commission, and more being that down. Say, I'm a claims expert now. They know, no, that is why NIC war. Say, you bet you now one insurance company in Intermarché say, bibi abeko jojo abribia.
Na madam answer na be sorry so no on say afahye aba te say edi edna bakatoi ente bia ogwa fitu afahye nso be ba commender anomabo to aso start to the end of the year na edru afahye times na ya na ye won say nwan binum to me set up structures no my no pub ni drinking spot those temporary structures said the bear 1 week no so also your insurance
you can do insurance. There's event insurance.
Oh, okay.
Event insurance
and insurance companies most of brand engine kaka na meka hu nseme madam an kan event insurance aka minim wan kan event insurance aka minim mo brand engine kaka na mo beka event insurance hu nseme because say sia no there were a lot of events me no kasa is okal mina enyanuma set structures nya dia enwumre we nyama be koso wo honom no me enya se me adeta mom but me nim say ho be budget so pa na ho budget so sa no so na say asem bi ko sia omo insurance on same to say
exactly
enti I say mo insurance ko mo so mo ba na me say oh say 1 week 2 weeks a year event insurance e be mom this package na any kama e be di mo kiti ye bo nya den sa me 5,000 no
the most insurance companies for more has central region I shall say free Elmina Dina main chia nana last week ye kochiano ye mano afiafi na ye nim say in sama wadi tu nim say ye medication in kwenim no enu bia na ye intimate na hase amechia no na mechia osabere manso very soon send you say where the no so ye the better obi bia oton insurance as an agent wo nambo you agency license in chrewom na ka chrewom say wo betumi aboa wom ma wanya insurance for the period of time afashe ne koso no na so that the confidence of beba send ye be ya amafo be hu say ampa ye adwuma wo insurance na risk so ban accident so say nyame nka se beba but e ban so a kotua kama wona why life insurance yi acid obi ewu na de won ko tua kama na de make catch mo say commission won tua wo claims a ye be sanction wo nti agency fo a claims ba mo de call head office anamo office na mo adwane akote bo mo de answer wo be die ni
ebi mu dwane kote
o mo kote ye from say media call head office wadane ni ho post office box there kwa media kotumo ya call but I mean that is not there as a regulator no ye bo mo de answer obi abeti insurance ase obi ti ase no be ton so a fanifa kwan paso and dada no and shene so say chenchina on yes abra won nem say enye one what fake motor insurance so one ye and I may say public no so say what could talk car your insurance wo one kasa wodi mo I know so because say won name way so say me car call garage or say me share say garage no insurance wo wana
sir hey
say 1 year insurance say what they go see garage what say what the benam kwan so into garage no no public liability e kan so wo so mo ye public liability e ma won garage no say ne be ya obi de ne car ba say yes ma me na atorenche bi si wo ho a garage na insurance e na be hwe say ne panic can ayam that is it
no any double insurance
no
because me comprehensive insurance on my car.
The insurance ceases. Car ni see garage hono. Insurance ceases.
Oh, just insurance and you do.
And na make catch say 1 year insurance say we dey go see garage. We say we dey nam kwan so.
To say me fie kra na just insurance bi.
Wo fie, wo fie.
Enya
obi fie.
And then because still be na say me pakika no na me dana de tia.
Nippon insurance no sell share SCC will come out.
Wow.
This is the duty of care here can.
Wow.
Oh, this is the duty.
And you say Nippon insurance
the year party now ba. Na o car no be obi pem wo car.
Yeah.
And I say bibi enye so obi pem wo car so obi pem wo car dia Nippon no be say. Ba bia me.
E bia
ku baby. It is my responsibility. Seminar me free wo me fie.
No, third party comprehensive bank cover.
I have to be responsible. It sounds like Mimi Hona will buy.
Hey.
You see
idea, pa. And they also me careful because me inviting go for me fee pa. And I mean me fee insurance status. And so we buy me fee see and I say or we parking a car as asem to no me fee. Just a moment pan ho actually.
It's your duty.
And let me check too. E we say dey see her me din nana ifa obin me ne ye mama de colina na ye aduamoa.
You can give the number.
Madam fa o number ne man preko.
So number ni is 0244
0244
370 967
967
0244
370
967
967.
Yeah, office name UCC Credit Union building name.
Okay.
UCC Credit Union building.
UCC Credit Union building. First floor. Why no more share. And see udu wa won sabe come. Ye di be see edamase nyame enstramo. Thank you all for joining us.
Ye kofi. Yenko.